Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Zehra Hashmi, your Islamiyat teacher. In today's lesson, we will be learning another dua from unit number 1, memorization and translation. Do you know why we are learning all these duas and understanding their meanings? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, "Did you think that we created you in vain and that to us you will not be returned?" This means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that we did not create you to play and enjoy and have fun. And you are answerable for all your deeds, for all your actions. In other ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, I only created jinn and human beings to worship me. So this ayah tells us purpose of creation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us to worship him. And we are remembering all these dua to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the best possible way as taught by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now let's look at duas we've already learned. Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is the greatest. Subhanallah, which means glory be to Allah. Inshallah, which means if Allah wishes. Now today's dua is Mashallah, and it means so Allah wishes. Now the question is, when do we say Mashallah? We say Mashallah when we praise other person's beauty or quality. You see a beautiful baby in the shopping mall. Don't say, wow, beautiful baby. Say, mashallah. Your brother has won the race. You can say, my brother has won the race. Mashallah. Your sister or brother has stood first in his or her class. You say, yay, my sister has stood first in her class. Mashallah. You look at your mother and you say, my mother is beautiful. You say, my mother is beautiful, mashallah. This is praising your mother's beauty. And if you say, my mother is the best cook, mashallah. Now you're praising her quality, that she's the best cook. So whenever you praise a person's beauty or quality, then this must be followed by mashallah. Make a habit of it. It's a very good dua. Now, if you have any more questions or queries, you can always email me and I'll get back to you. And you must remember all these four duas and not only memorize these dua, but also memorize the meanings, the translation, and make a habit of using these dua in your life. And I'll be asking you, have you learned these duas once you come back to school, inshallah? Have a great day.